Ram Ram Ram. Sarvebhyah Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Welcome to class 95 of Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita webinar. So in the last class, we revised Dhyana Shlokaha and also chanted the Gita Mahatmyam Shlokaha from Shri Varaha Puranam. Today, we will begin with a quick recap of all the Dhyana Shlokaha because that is there for the assessment. For all kinds, for all categories, you have to know the Dhyana Shlokaha. So as some of you have requested, I will be revising them in the beginning. Then we will move on to individual chanting as usual. So the first preference is for those who haven't chanted till now in the mock assessment. I know some of you have sent me an email, those who chanted last class saying you want to chant this class also. But please note that there are many who haven't chanted even once. So I would first be calling out their names. And I'm not sure if everyone who has raised their hand would be able to chant, but we will try to have as many of you as possible. Then one important announcement, next Saturday, the class will be on Zoom. So we will send out the Zoom link to all of you, and it will also be uploaded on the course page. So it is going to be a concluding session of our webinar, which we began about 2 years ago. We are going to have a very esteemed chief guest who is very proficient and who has also rendered and who continues to render a lot of service to Bhagavad Gita, Sanskritam, etc. So he is going to preside over the occasion and address all of us. And we also will have a few of them chanting Gita verses. So next class, we will not have mock assessments, but we will have the concluding class. I request all of you to please attend the concluding class of Srimad Bhagavad Gita webinar. And in the month of June, like you all know, we will have the assessments. So let us begin. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्ण घोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानम् मुदा भूयाद् भारत पङ्कजम् कलिमल प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालम् पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकादिवर्जितः गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानन्दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनम् गीतासु गीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता भारतामृत सर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिसृतं गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत Sanjay? Yes, so before we begin with the individual chanting, one important announcement. One of you had asked me if you can chant the Sandhi as it is given in your book. Now the thing is, in many books, the Sandhi will not be split after a pada. So, for example, it would be given as Sarvopanishado Gavo. So it is okay to chant Gavo only if you are not taking a pause before Dogdha. So it is okay to chant it as Sarvopanishado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandanah, because there is a Visarga Sandhi there. And when you combine the sandhi, you're not supposed to split. However, if you split sarvopanishado gavah, if you are splitting there, if you're taking a pause, you have to chant it as gavaha and not as gavo, because we are pausing, we are taking a break after the word. So you have to split the sandhi. It is not an optional rule. So even if it is given as gavo in the book, you could chant without a break, without a pause whatsoever. Or if you choose to pause after the pada, it has to be gavaha. So there are many instances like that in the shlokas. So please follow what we have taught you. And but for example, when you have to combine the anuswara, for example here, dugdham geetamritam mahat, it's an optional rule. Like I've indicated in the beginning, you could either chant it as dugdham completely, dugdham geetamritam mahat, or dugdham geetamritam mahat. Dugdham geetamritam is also correct. Dugdham completely anuswara is also correct. So that's an optional rule. So even in Shantakaram, for example, yes, Kamala Nayanam Yogi Bhirdhyana Gamyam. You could chant it as Kamala Nayanam completely, Anuswara completely, or Kamala Nayanai Yogi Bhirdhyana Gamyam. Both are right. So we have clearly indicated in the classes when you go through the recordings as to what is an optional rule. Only those optional rules you can optionally chant however you want. Other places you have to follow the rules of sandhi splitting. So in books, even if they have combined the sandhi, where if you are taking a pause between the words, you will have to split the sandhi as sarvopanishado gavah. That is just one example I gave because the question specifically was with reference to visarga and okara. And class timing next week is at 4 o'clock. Please note, next week the class timing is at 4. We will send you the link on Zoom. And also after the program, next class, the duration is 4 to 6:15. So have a 6:15 we have to stop. So some of you have been wanting to speak, wanting to share your experience in the webinar, give your feedback, etc. So you would be invited to speak next week after the program. So the program duration is probably for an hour. So after that, you all can, we will enable the video for each of you individually. Whoever wants to speak, you can say a few words about the webinar, your experience, what you learned, and your feedback is most welcome. So that is next week. Now let us start with the mock assessments. Okay, Issue, I know you haven't, please enable your webcam and share your audio, Issue. You want to also take part in the mock assessment, Issue? Ram, what is your category?
1, 2, and 3 memorization.
Chapters 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good. Yes, start with the first verse.
Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu pandabanikam vyuhan duryodhanastada acharyamupasangamya raja vachanamabravit pashyai Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah Nakula Sahadevascha Sughoshamani Pushpakau Kashyascha Parameshvasah Shikhandi Maharatha Drishtadhyumno Viratascha Satyakischa Parajitah द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि
एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किन्नु महीकृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेत् तस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः तस्मान्
आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति।
आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयं देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि
नत्वं शोचितुमर्हसि तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि नत्वं शोचितुमर्हसि
तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि नत्वं शोचितुमर्हसि स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य न विकम्पितुमर्हसि धर्म्याद्धियुद्धाच्छ्रेयोऽन्यत् क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते
श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रजहाति यदा
श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रजहाति यदा कामान् सर्वान् पार्थमनोगतान् आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थितप्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते यः न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेत् अज्ञानां कर्मसंज्ञिनां जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन् प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहङ्कारविमूढात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्मविभागयोः गुणागुणेषु वर्तन्त इति मत्वा न सज्जते
एवं बुद्धेः
परं बुद्ध्वा संस्थभ्यात्मानमात्मना जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम्.
Okay, Uttamam Ishu, please practice the Smaranam part. Okay, and also Ishu, you could chant slower. Okay, the pace is quite fast. So generally for the assessment, I mean, not that you will be marked on pace, but it would be better. The quality is better. It sounds better if you are a bit slower. Okay, don't hurry up. Even for the judges. Okay, so that's one common, just a tip to make your chanting, because there are marks even for quality and tune, etc. Overall presentation. So it would be better if you're slightly slower. Don't go so fast. Dhanyavada Ishu. All the best. Practice well. Charu, Ram. Charu, please unmute. Share your webcam. Charu, what category have you registered for?
Bhagini, I have registered for 16, 17, 18 chapters.
Okay, start with 16th chapter.
Bhagini, I have practiced only 16 and 17 so far.
Okay, I will ask you from those itself. Okay. Start with 16th chapter.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Shodashodhyayah Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yogaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha अभयं सत्त्वसंशुद्धिः ज्ञानयोगव्यवस्थितिः दानं दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्यायस्तप आर्जवम् अहिंसा सत्यमक्रोधः त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनां दया भूतेषु
Shagashantirapayshunam. Did you chant Paishunam? It is Paishunam.
त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनं दया भूतेष्वलोलुप्त्वम् मार्दवं ह्रीरचापलं तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम्.
Here it is Tejaha Kshama. All of you remember the rule of chanting the Visarga completely before Ksha. So even in the 12th chapter, Samadukha Sukha Kshami. Here Tejaha Kshama.
तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचम् अद्रोहो नातिमानिता भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीम्
Partha is Mahaprana. Partha Sampadamasurim.
पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीम् दैवी असौ मया हतः शत्रुः हनिष्ये चापरानपि ईश्वरोऽहमहं भोगी सिद्धोऽहं बलवान् सुखी आद्यो तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणन्ते कार्यकार्यव्यवस्थितौ
Not karya.
कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा
Vyavasthitau. Dvitvam there. Karyakaryavyavasthitau.
कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि.
Okay. 17th chapter you can start.
Om Shri
Yes, you can.
Arjuna Uvacha
Ye Shastra
विधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः.
Ye Shastra Vidhimutsrijya Yajante Shraddhayanvitaha.
ये शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्णा सत्त्वमाहो रजस्तमाः. श्री भगवान्
Satvamaho again.
सत्त्वमाहो रजस्तमाः
Rajastamaha.
सत्त्वमाहो रजस्तमः. श्रीभगवानुवाच त्रिविधा भवति श्रद्धा देहिनां सस्वभावजा देहिनां सा स्वभावजा सात्विकी राजसी चैव तामसी चेति तां शृणु. सत्त्वानुरूपा सर्वस्य श्रद्धा भवति भारत. श्रद्धामयोऽयं पुरुषः यो यच्छद्रः स एव सः.
सद्भावे साधुभावे च
सद्भावे साधुभावे च सदित्येतत् प्रयुज्यते. प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्छब्दः पार्थ युज्यते. यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सदिति चोच्यते. कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सदित्येवाभिधीयते अश्रद्धया
You could complete this last verse. Complete this. Ashraddhaya.
अश्रद्धया हुतं दत्तं तपस्तप्तं कृतं च यत् असदित्युच्यते पार्थ न च तत्प्रेत्य नो इह
Dhanyavadaha. Charu, please practice well. Okay? Please practice well and check your email, Charu. This evening I'll be sending you an email. So please check that. Okay? Next, there is a question about the 7th chapter, Yo Yo Yam Yam Tanum, that verse, 7th chapter, 21st shloka. So let me just clarify that. Yes, so Yo Yo Yam Yam Tanum Bhaktah Shraddhayarchitum Ichchati Tasya Tasyachalam Shraddham Tameva Vidadhamyaham. So you could also chant it as Yo Yo Yam Tanum Bhaktah. It's an optional rule. I think that is what you meant by your question, Mahodaya, because you've written in English. Yo Yo Yam Tanum is correct, or Yo Yo Yan Tanum is also correct. I hope that's clear. Dhyana Shlokaha, all the Dhyana Shlokaha which I recited today and in the previous class also, all the 16 Dhyana Shlokaha are there for all the categories of assessment. How to switch on the webcam while chanting? Maithili Bhagini, we will be sending you a Zoom link for the assessment. So with that, you will be able to switch on the webcam. In this webinar, only those who have access to the webcam will be able to switch on. Ishu and Charu could do it because they are panelists, so they have access. Other attendees do not have access, but for the assessment, it is compulsory for all of you to switch on the video. Okay. Mangalam Shlokaha are not there for the assessment. Mangalam Shlokaha are not there, only Dhyana Shlokaha. Okay. Now let us move to the individual. Sudha Raju Bhagini, please unmute. Sudha Raju Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Which category of assessment?
Parayanam.
Parayanam. Okay. Could you start with the 4th chapter, first verse, Bhagini?
Yes. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Chaturthodhyayah Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavanaham Avyayam Vivasvan Manave Praha Manurikshvakave Bravit.
It is not Manurikshva Bhagini, it is Manurikshvakave Bravit.
Manurikshvakave Bravit. Evam.
The chapter 19th verse Bhagini. Ihaiva Tairjita Sargo.
Which chapter Bhagini?
5th chapter, 19th verse. Ihaiva Tairjita Sargo.
Ihaiva Tairjita Sargo. Yesham samye sthitam manaha. Nirdosham hi samam brahma. Tasmad brahmani te sthitaha.
It is not
na prahashyet priyam prapya.
It is na praharshyet.
Na praharshyet priyam prapya. No.
It is na praharshyet. Na praharshyet. Okay.
Na praharshyet priyam prapya. नो द्विजेत् प्राप्य चाप्रियम् स्थिरबुद्धिर्समूढो ब्रह्मविद् ब्रह्मणि स्थितः बाह्य
It is sthira buddhira sammudho. It is not sthir buddhir. There is no, unless there is a halanta, it is not a half letter, it is a full letter. Sthira
Okay.
buddhira sammudho brahmavid brahmani sthitah.
Okay.
Okay, please, all of you listen to the recording, it would become clearer. Bhagini, 6th chapter, 33rd verse, Arjuna Uvacha, Yoyam
Okay.
Yogastvaya Proktah.
Okay.
6th chapter, 33rd verse.
Yeah. Arjuna Uvacha Yoyam Yogastvaya Proktah Samyena Madhusudana Etasyaham na pashyami Chanchalatva Sthitim Sthiram Chanchalam.
Dhanyavadaha. Today we will just do around 3-4 verses per person because there are a lot of you. So we will not be able to take longer. Thank you, Bhagini. Please pay attention to the Hrasva Dirgha and exactly the words as are given in the script. Vasudeva Kamat Mahodayah, please unmute.
Namaste, Mahoday.
Namaste. Which chapter?
Parayanam, I am doing Parayanam.
Okay, maybe you could start from 6th chapter 40th verse, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, Partha Naiveha Namutra. 6th chapter 40th.
Sri Bhagavanuvacha Partha Naiveha Namutra Vinashastasya Vidyate Nahi Kalyana Kratkaschid Durgatin Tata Gacchati.
Here Mahodaya, Partha Naiveha, Tha is Mahaprana and we do not say Partha, no Dirgha. Partha Naiveha Namutra. Okay, please
Okay.
note, Mahodaya, you can chant the next one. Prapya Punya Kritam.
Prapya Punyakratam Lokan Ushitva Shashwati Samaha Shushinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Brashto Bhijayate.
Shuchi Nam Chi is a Dirgha and Yoga Bhrashto Bhijayate. Slight pronunciation there of Dvitvam. You could chant 7th chapter 11th verse, Mahodaya. Balam Balavatam Asmi. Chapter 7, 11th verse. Balam Balavatam Asmi.
Balam Balavatam Chaham Kamaraga Vivarjitam Dharma Viruddho Dharma sorry
That's okay.
Dharma Viruddho Bhuteshu Kamosmi Bharatarshava Echaiva Satvika Bhava.
Ye is always a dirgha in Sanskritam. Ye chaiva.
Ye Chaiva Satvika Bhavaha Rajasastamasascha ye Matta eveti tan vidhi Natvaham teshu te mai.
Here it is natvaham, dvitvam there, double sound of the. Natvaham teshu te mayi.
Natvaham teshu te mai.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. Your tune is very good. So you could keep up the same pace of chanting also. Very apt tune and apt pace. Please pay attention to the Dvitvam and to the Alpaprana, Mahaprana and the short and long letters.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. In the assessment, you will be asked more shlokas. Today, due to paucity of time, I'm not asking as many. Mohana Valambe Bhagini, your question about how to switch the tune. Yes, so if you notice, all the 2-line verses have one particular tune. The 4-line verses, which you find a lot in the 11th chapter, they have a particular tune. Now, if you have to change the tune, because there will be some marks, not a major portion of the marks, but some marks are allocated to the tune also, because it is not just reading like we read a lesson or something. It's not like reading prose. It is reading, chanting a shloka. So that shruti, that pitch, that tune also should be good for it to be soothing and to have that effect. How you could practice is by listening to the recording continuously, especially the recording where all the verses are revised at a stretch. So if you listen to the 11th chapter, multiple times we switch from 2-line to 4-line verses and back. So if you go on listening and try chanting along with that, then it becomes very easy. Once you get the tune, you will never forget. It is not a very complicated tune. It is actually very simple. You just need some amount of practice and listen to it multiple times. Before we move to the next person, Purnima Bhagini has a doubt about 15th chapter, first shloka. So 15th chapter, what exactly is your doubt, Bhagini? Let me see. I think you have asked another question also. Could you type out what exactly in the 15th chapter first shloka, Bhagini? 15th chapter first shloka is Urdhva Moola Madhashakham Ashvatham Prahuravyayam Chandamsi Yasya Parnani Yastam Veda Savedavit. With na, with halanta and just na. There is no na with halanta in this verse. Urdhva Moola Madhashakham Ashvatham Prahuravyayam Chandamsi Yasya Parnani Yastam Veda Savedavit. The halanta is at the end of the first line, that is Prahuhu Avyayam. M is a halanta. Next line, Savedavit, the last word, it Vedavit, that T is a halanta. They are the only two halantas in this verse. There are no halantas with N. Yes, Purnima Bhagini, maybe you've also raised your hand. It says self-muted. Could you please unmute? Maybe you can start chanting
Bhagini.
also, and I could clear your doubt also.
Yeah. Can you hear me, Bhagini?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. My doubt was, can I chant first and then?
Yes. Have you registered for Parayana?
Yes.
Okay, you could chant the same chapter. You could start from the beginning. Bhagavan Uvacha.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Urdhvamulamadhashakham Ashvatham Prahuravyayam Chandansi Yasya Parnani Yastam Veda Savedavit Adhashtordhvam Prasudasas. Sorry.
What is the doubt, Bhagini, in this verse?
Yeah, the thing is that last and last ut, I'm confused with in other shlokas. I'm confused how to pronounce it yama or yam. How do I make a difference of it?
Prahuravyayam only. It is not yama. Now, only in Hindi, when we write, like say for example, mango in Hindi, but we write but pronounce it as that rule does not hold good for Sanskritam. In Sanskritam, unless there is a halanta, like for example in this verse, Prahuravyayam, avyayam is the word. So because m is half, you have the halanta. Without the halanta, it would be ma. So for example, if you write Rama in Sanskritam, we pronounce it as Rama, not as Ram. That is a huge difference between Hindi and Sanskritam pronunciation.
Okay.
Clear, Bhagini?
But I'm clear about, because I'm from a Hindi medium, so I'm a little getting confused with. Yeah.
Now is
So
it clear?
I probably when I start understanding it and try practicing it, probably I will get it.
Like for example, even see Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, we say Uvacha, we don't say Uvach. It's not
Huh.
like Hindi. So yes, so those who are very proficient in Hindi, you will have to make that change when you read Sanskrit. We all the letters are pronounced full, even if they are at the end of the word, unless there is that halanta. I hope this is clear, Bhagini.
Yeah, it is clear, Bhagini. I have understood it. Only it's, I think, when I practice, probably I should get it into my blood.
Yes, yes,
Thank
yes. You will
Thank
definitely
you
be
so
able.
much.
Dhanyavadaha,
I-
Bhagini. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
I think it was okay what I have.
Yes, yes. What you have chanted is perfect.
Thank you so
Dhanyavadaha.
much. Thank you.
Thank you. Is there a difference in Mahaprana or Alpaprana for ba or bha? In Sanskritam script, yes, there is definitely a difference. Ba, the way we write, is different from bha. For example, here what you see on the screen, bhakti yogaha, this is bha. So ba is written in a different way. Okay. Pragun Puranik Bhagini, please.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram, what are you, which category are you taking part in?
From Trayodasha to 18th chapter, but I haven't learned the 18th chapter yet.
Okay, please start with the 13th chapter.
अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि
यदा भूतपृथग्भावम्
यदा भूतपृथग्भावम् एकस्थमनुपश्यति तत एव च विस्तारम् ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा अनादित्वान् निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायमव्ययः शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते यथा प्रकाशय रजोरागात्मकं विद्धि तृष्णासङ्गसमुद्भवम् तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसङ्गेन देहिनम् अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसृतास्तस्य शाखाः गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रबालाः अधश्च मूलान्यनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्ये
धन्यवादाः. See now how she was able to shift to the other tune for 4-line verses. It will definitely come with practice. Anuradha Anisetti Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Which chapter or Parayanam?
Parayanam Bhagini. Parayanam.
Okay. You could start with 9th chapter.
But my script is little different. I don't have the exact script which you follow.
Okay.
9th chapter, which one Bhagini? First verse?
First shloka. 9th chapter, first shloka.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha idam tu te guhyatamam pravakshyamyanasuyave jnanam vijnana sahitam ज्ञानात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्
यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्
यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात् राजविद्या राजगुह्यं पवित्रमिदमुत्तमम् प्रत्यक्षावगमं धर्म्यं सुसुखं कर्तुमव्ययम्.
Now, 10th chapter, you could chant Tesham Satatayuktanam, 10th chapter, 10th verse.
Okay. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते. तेषां sorry भगिनी,
You could continue. Yeah.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजं तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्था ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता.
Tamam. Now, please chant 33rd verse of the 11th chapter. Tasmat Tvamuttishta.
Okay.
11th chapter, 33rd verse.
तस्मात् त्वमुत्तिष्ठ यशो लभस्व जित्वा शत्रून् भुङ्क्ष्व राज्यं समृद्धम् मयैवैते निहताः पूर्वमेव निमित्तमात्रं भव सव्यसाचिन्.
Yes. Now, 12th chapter. Yona Hrishyati, that would be shloka number 17, sorry. 1-7 of chapter 12.
यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः.
Bhaktiman yassa me priyaha.
Okay. Bhaktiman yassa me priyaha.
Because yaha and sa, visarga followed by sa becomes visarga sakara sandhi. Bhagini, your tune and way of chanting is very good, but please pay attention to these sandhi, combining the sandhi.
Okay,
and
sure.
Also, one tip, especially for Parayana Kartas, is you could follow the script which we have followed in class itself, because it has all the splitting of the sandhis correctly given to you. Some books may not, you will have to write down in each shloka. Because you have to and chant, you could have a soft copy also in case you want, or you could get a printout of the not the slides, you have it in the entire text is given to you on the course page, so that would be easier, and you can refer to that during the assessment.
Sure, Bhagini. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Yeah. We will not be able to take all of you, but as many as possible today. Avinash Vaidya Mahodayah, please unmute.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram. Which chapter?
Parayanam.
Parayanam. Okay, you could start from Samaschatrau cha Mitrecha. That is 18th shloka of 12th chapter.
Samaschatrau cha mitrecha tatha manapamanayoh shitoshna sukha dukkheshu samassanga vivarjitah.
Not Shitoshna, it is Shitoshna.
Shitoshna sukha dukkheshu samassanga vivarjitah. Tulya nindastu tirmauni santushto ena kenachit aniketastiramatihi भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
Yeah, you could chant iti guhyatamam shastram. That is the 20th verse of the 15th chapter. 15th chapter, verse 20.
15th chapter, verse 20.
Yeah. Guhyatamam.
Iti guhyatamam shastram idam uktam maya nagah etad buddhva buddhi.
It is not mayanagha, it is mayanagha.
Iti guhyatamam shastram idam muktam maya nagha etad buddhva buddhimanya syat krutakrutascha.
See, again here, we don't chant it as idam muktam. We say idam muktam together. Iti guhyatamam shastram idam muktam. We don't split it as idam muktam. There are no two mers. Idam uktam becomes idam uktam mayanagha. Etad buddhva
buddhiman syat. Etad buddhva buddhiman syat krutakrutascha bharata.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Please listen to the recording. All of you, there is a lot of time still. So it's only on June 12th that you have the first assessment. So please practice well. Even if you practice every day from now, you'll be able to do it. Srivat Sankara Rao Valluri Mahodaya, please unmute. Srivat Sankara Rao Valluri Mahodaya, you are unmuted but unable to hear you.
Hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay.
With the 16th chapter.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're for Parayanam, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. 16th chapter
Beginning.
Yes.
Shri Bhagavan Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi Danam Damascha Yajnascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam.
One slight change, Mahodaya. It is not wrong, but it would be clearer if you chant it as Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi. That Ritvam. Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi. I hope you got the slight difference.
Yeah. Jnana Yoga Vyavasthitihi.
Perfect. Yes. Next, you could chant Tanaham Dvishatah Kruran. That would be 19th verse of the 16th chapter.
Tanaham Dvishata Kruran Samsareshu Naradhaman Kshipa Myajasrama Shubhan Asurishveva Yonishu.
Yes. Tasmat Shastram, verse 24 of the same chapter.
Tasma Shastram Pramanam Te Karya Karya Vyavasthitau Jnatva
Karya Karya Vyavasthitau.
कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि.
Yes, you could chant Satkaramana, that is 18th shloka of 17th chapter. Satkaramana Pujartham.
Yeah. Satkaramana Pujartham Tapodambhena chaiva yat kriyate tadihi proktam rajasa kriyate tadiha proktam rajasam chalamadhruvam.
Now Anishtamishtam Mishram cha, that would be verse number 12 of 18th chapter.
अनिष्टमिष्टं मिश्रं च त्रिविधं कर्मणः फलं भवत्यत्यागिनां प्रेत्या न तु सन्न्यासिनां क्वचित्.
धन्यवादाः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
just if you listen to the chanting keenly, or even if you go through the recordings where I've taught, then that would become clearer. Sundar Rajan Mahodaya, really appreciate your message, and yes, I still recollect, but that we are going to have that particular session only after the assessment. So which is why, though I have sent an email internally, we are just focusing on the assessments, etc. now. So we'll have another valedictory function after all the assessments are over and after the results are out. So could you please send me an email with exactly what you have said here, because I will forward this to the team also, so that, yeah, so that would be on record and they will also know exactly what you're thinking about. So please send me this exactly, and we will send it to the team. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you very much, Sundarajan Mahodaya. Okay, Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Which category, Bhagini?
Seeing and telling.
Seeing and telling. Okay. Please start with chapter 5. First shloka.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Shrimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Panchamodhyayah. Karma Sannyasa Yogah. Arjuna Uvacha. Sannyasam Karmanam Krishna. Punaryogancha Shamsasi. Yachreya एतयोरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितं श्री भगवान् यच्छ्रेय एतयोरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितं श्री भगवानुवाच संन्यासः कर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयस करावुभौ तयोस्तु कर्म संन्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते.
Eighth chapter. Please chant the verse 3. Aksharam Brahma Paramam.
1 second.
8th chapter, third one.
Third. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Aksharam Brahma Paramam Svabhavodhyatmamuchyate bhavodbhava karah visargah karma sanyitah.
Next, maybe you could chant Prayana Kale, verse 10 of the same chapter, verse 10 of 8th chapter.
Verse 10 of 8th chapter.
8, yes.
प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यं यदक्षरं वेद.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Chamyata, I'm not able to give all of you too much time. Ujjwala Singhania Bhagini, please unmute. Can we get certificate for all categories? Yes, whoever scores above 60% in all categories will be given an e-certificate. Ujjwala Singhania Bhagini, please start with 9th chapter, 16th verse, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam.
9th chapter, just a second.
Before Ujjwala Bhagini starts, I'm just announcing again, next week we are going to have a small concluding program. All of you please do attend. It has been a wonderful journey with you all so far. We will be having the class on Zoom. So we will send you the Zoom link. It would also be uploaded on the course page. you all can attend next class. It is starting at 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time. It's about an hour's program. We'll have a wonderful chief guest addressing us. And after the program, whoever wants to express your views about this webinar, what you have learned, and you want to share anything, you could please do so. Your video also will be switched on for that. You all have been saying that you want to express a lot of things. We didn't have time in class. So next class, whoever wants to say anything, share your feedback about the webinar, you could raise your hand and you could say a few words. So we will meet next week on Zoom, not on this GoToWebinar. Please note that all of you. Watch out for the email, and it is also uploaded on the course page, the Zoom meeting ID and the password. Okay, Ujjwala Bhagini, you could start. Patram Pushpam.
Bhagini, sorry, which shlok number?
It is shloka number 26 of 9th chapter.
26. Okay.
Patram
phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayakshati tadaham bhaktyopahrtam ashnami prayatatmanah.
Tadaham bhaktyupahritam. Tadaham bhaktyupahritam.
Tadaham bhaktyopahrtam ashnami prayatatmanah. Yat
karoshi. Next shloka.
Yat karoshi yadashnasi yajjuhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam.
Now the 10th chapter, please chant 40th shloka, 10th chapter, Nantosti mama divyanam.
Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa esha tu deshatah proktah vibhuter vistaro maya.
Now 11th chapter, Bhagini, 11th chapter, 28th verse, Yatha Nadinam. 11th chapter, 28th verse.
Yatha nadinam bahavombuvegaah samudrameva bhimukha dravanti tatha tavami naralokavirah vishantranya vichvalanti yatha pradiptanjwalam Yatha pradiptam jwalanam patangaah vishanti nashaya samriddha vegaah tathaiva nashaya vishanti lokaah tavapi vaktrani samriddha vegaah.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you very much. Maybe just 2 or 3 verses by one more person. Geeta A. Ganesh Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini, Hari Om.
Namaste, Hari Om. Bhagini, you could start with 11th chapter, 31st verse, Akhyahi Meko.
Bhagini, पूर्वम् एक ध्यानश्लोकमेव वक्तुमिच्छामि. एकमेव.
कं श्लोकं वक्तुमिच्छति भवती?
पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितं.
वदतु.
पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितं भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन क्रदितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैधामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्तधामि भगवद्गीते भवत्वेषिणीम्.
Bhagini, one consistent observation, you will have to be more clear about the Alpa Prana Mahaprana differentiation everywhere, all pranas. And Lakshmi Raghavan Bhagini, yes, and Anuradha Bhagini, both of you have asked for the same thing. Dhyana Shlokaha, I hear that it has not been uploaded, the YouTube recording also. I will check on this. I haven't checked. I will check today itself after class. In case last week's YouTube recording has not been uploaded, I will request them to do it. And Anuradha Bhagini, if you are referring to Dhyana Shlokaha script that is there on the portal itself, the very first class, if you see, they have also uploaded the entire Gita, all 18th chapters, along with Dhyana Shlokaha and the Mangala and Gita Mahatmyam Shlokaha, what we did last class. So as one document, one PDF document, you will find the entire Gita in Devanagari and in diacriticals. So that should help. In any case, I will also send an email with that link so that anyone who wants to take a printout or if you want to refer to it while chanting, you could do so. Yes. I remember. Yes. 31st shloka of 11th chapter. Akyahi meko.
Akyahi meko bhavanugrarupo namostu te devavara prasidha vignyatumicchami bhavantamadhyam nahi prajanami tava pravrittim.
Here, like I was saying in the beginning, we chant it as Bhavanugra Rupaha because you are taking a pause there. You are not, if you don't take a pause, you could combine the Sandhi and chant it. But because you are pausing and you're splitting the two lines, it should be Bhavanugra Rupaha. Though the book says O, we are strictly following the rule of splitting the Sandhi when we take a pause. If you don't split, you could chant it as Akyahi meko bhavanugra rupo namostu te deva vara prasida. Then it is okay to chant it as rupo. But because you are speaking, you're taking a pause, it should be rupaha. We are being a bit strict about this rule just to ensure perfection in our chanting and to know why it is rupo or rupaha. Okay. 13th chapter, Bhagini. Rishibhir Bahudha Geetam, 4th verse.
ऋषिभिर् बहुधा गीतम् छन्दोर्भिविविधैः पृथक्
छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक्
क्षम्यतां भगिनि ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम् छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
This Chandobhirvividhai Prithak, the Mahapranas should be clearer, Bhagini. Next webinar is going to start now, so we will have to conclude now. Thank you, Geeta Bhagini. All the best. Please practice well, especially the Mahapranas. Please listen to the recordings. Ujjwala Bhagini, the Raghuvira Gadyam, we only upload, whether it's Raghuvira Gadyam or Geeta, on the portal we only upload PDF version of the PPTs. We don't upload the PowerPoint presentation. We convert the same PPT to a PDF and upload it. Raghuvira Gadyam assessment, those who are taking part during this week, on Monday you will receive the link, the Zoom link. So we are going to send it on Monday. We will conclude with the last verse and the Shanti Mantraha. Next class, see you all in the concluding program on Zoom. Yat यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। Meet you next week. Please note the timing. It is 4 o'clock next week, Indian Standard Time, and it will be on Zoom. So see you all next week. Whether we'll have a class on June 5th, we haven't decided yet. We will let you know. Dhanyavadaha. Shubham Bhuyat. All the best for the assessment for all of you. If you have any doubts, please send me an email. Dhanyavadaha. Agami Shanivasare Punar Milamaha. We will meet next Saturday. Thank you.